so I'm really finna put y'all on. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So y'all, I found these beautiful mink lashes off of Amazon. I got these sent to me. They are so cute. So it came with 2 cards about their company. The company name is Lookbook, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Another card, and also came with a lash applicator. I don't use this, but if you do and you purchase this, you get one. So yeah, these are the lashes. So it is 10 of these lashes. So it's 10 lashes, and I'm going to try on every single one for you guys. So let's get right into the try on. Okay, so those were all of the lashes. I love every single pair of them. They all are very soft. They all come in the same packaging with a number on the side. The number is different. So in the description below will be the complete set, and they also sell different type of lashes. They also sell these singles too. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, comment down below and I will answer them. And yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss. Don't be late, no.